Hello people, how are you all? International greeting time coming up. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamashima, здравствуйте, привет, bunna, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, and also xin chào, yabasiyo, tere, salam alaikum, what's that I hear you say? Walaikum assalam, you're welcome, and saskriakal, marhaban, merhaba if you are from Turkey. Welcome. And by the way, I think I need to add a few African twangs, a little bit on my side of the water, to this list. So if you want your language added to it, do let me know. I'm not going to add any more Southeast Asian ones. I'm not going to add any more Eastern European ones. I think I've covered quite a few there in that department. So yeah, the other side, Africa, let me know. Anyway, enough of that. So allbeauty.com, I shop there all the time. They do lots and lots of beauty products, makeup and so on at cheaper prices. Some are more of a bargain than others. However, they've got lots and lots, and I buy a lot of my perfumes from them at a discounted rate. And I've been shopping there for quite a few years, maybe 3 years or thereabout. I never knew they had a beauty box at all. Never knew. Came across this by accident whilst I was looking at something else, and I thought, ooh, yeah. Anyway, so standard price was usually about £25. They had a discount there, which took it to about £19.50. When you shop at allbeauty.com, which I do love, anything over £20 or £20 or thereabove, then you get free delivery. Cheeky, sneaky little people, you at allbeauty.com, £19.50, just below the threshold for free delivery. However, delivery is only £1.95 or £1.98 or thereabout, under £2. So not gonna complain. So the box itself came to under £21. Don't ask me about the math, okay? So it came to under £21, or thereabout anyway. But apparently, according to them, and I made a point of not actually looking at the contents because I wanted to be surprised like everyone else. So it's a proper first impression. But I did read up, and it said items are supposedly value over £60, which is actually great considering the box is £19 something. So that is great. So we are unboxing it now. So we shall see what's inside it. You get the card. Oh, something smells super strong in here. What the hell is in there? It says here, welcome to the Allbeauty Detox and Calm. Oh, Detox and Calm Beauty Box. Ooh, I'm getting excited already. And it says, as we begin a new year, the Allbeauty team brings you a selection of products to detox, relax and renew. We've chosen treats from some of our favorite brands, including the Organic Pharmacy. Oh, that's probably what it is. Organic Pharmacy and Decleor, to banish winter blues and lift up your spirits. We've even included a little luxury fragrance to make your day extra special. Ooh, it says here, with best wishes for 2018. The Allbeauty team. Well, best wishes to you too. Thank you very much. Considering I paid for this. So it says here, Gatineau, and that's obviously perfecting ultimate retexturizing beauty cream, sample size 15 ml, and they give you the value, by the way. Makes my life so much easier. It's 15 ml worth £12.90. So let's have a look. That's not it. Where are you? Gatineau. Ah, voila, Gatineau. So this one, you have it as well, it tells you what it is. Retexturizing beauty cream, so anti-aging perfector, and there you have it. Skin anti-aging skin perfector. Nice. Is there a smell? Gatineau can be quite expensive. I do know that much. Squeeze, and I squashed it all in. So let's see. Hasn't really got a smell, which is not a bad thing. You can always add a smell, by the way, afterwards. If you've got essential oils and so on, you can combine them to make it the way you like it. Yeah, definitely no smell, but it is super soft. It does take a while to rub into the skin. This is definitely one where you need to massage it into your skin in order for it to be absorbed. But once it does, it is absorbed, it leaves your skin really, really soft, non-greasy feel. It's not greasy at all. I do like it. Great, great, great. That's numero uno item. And then the next one is Manuka Doctor, a overnight lavender mask. Okay, Apilnourish. Okay, well, let's have a look. So full size is 50ml and it's worth £24.99. There you have it in the packaging. So visibly hydrate, smooth, luminous skin, overnight lavender mask. If you're not into lavender, then and I know a lot of people aren't, then that's fine. You want like this, I believe. And I'm trying to get it open, get it open so I can try it out. I'm actually going to do what is actually a good idea, which is what Sassy Sandra does, and her channel. I mean, that lady does lots and lots of unboxings of beauty boxes, and she finds some really wonderful finds. And she's also doing, you know, kind of trying out the products, which is actually very useful, because a lot of times you'll get a whole load of stuff, but people don't actually see how these things work. So it's a great idea. So I'm taking a leaf out of her book and I'll be trying them out. I won't be filming that, but I'll make sure that I'll try them out. And obviously, if I then discover something that's amazing, I will then be obviously then come back to you guys and maybe do a dedicated video on something that I've found which works. So just applying that just to try it out and just to see the smell and the consistency. Okay, so it comes out like a cream. So it's an overnight mask, so presumably obviously you'll put it on and leave it. I would probably then in that case avoid direct contact with eyes. We recommend a patch test before use. Do not use it if you have an allergy to any of the listed ingredients. Obviously apply to freshly cleansed dry skin at night before bed. Okay, so just to, it has got a lavender smell, but it's actually very, very mild smell. It's not strong at all. No, it's not strong. So you could actually, if you don't mind, you can actually use this. It's not a major, it's not a really, really strong smell, which is I'm quite surprised about, but it also means that it's, even if you don't like lavender, you could still use it and it wouldn't be a problem. So that would be something worth using overnight. So yeah, that's nice. And the next item, so we'll take that out. Next on the list is the Organic Pharmacy Detoxifying Seaweed Bath Soak. Yes, seaweed is good for the skin, it's good for you. But, you know, bath soaks, especially salt, is good for you as well. Just heard my postman. So it's very late. Anyway, so special edition, size is 60 gram, worth £10. So obviously with the two items of £24.99 plus one is £10, already you are way past the price of the box, as you can see. So let's have a look. That's that one here, and it comes in the form of, you've seen the green beads, and just so basically you've seen it's like salt with seaweed, coated in seaweed. Oh, that's what I was smelling. Woo! Okay, this should have some form of menthol or something. So if you don't like anything that's got menthol, anything like that, you are not going to like this at all. Especially when it is a bath soak that's going to where the smell is going to permeate and rise up in the heat as the salt melts into the water. You are definitely going to smell this in not just the bath, so the whole bathroom is going to smell like that. So there is menthol in that. Yeah, it's got either tea tree or menthol in there. Let me just read up on the back and then you can see. Hopefully my nose is not, oh God. Direction, sprinkle 2 large spoonfuls in running water and relax. It says here sodium chloride, sea salt, yeah, 90%, which is very, very high. So there you have it. And it's got anise, seed oil, rosemanus officials, or that's probably rosemary, juniper. Okay, juniper. Okay, now it makes sense. So I can see there you got eucalyptus. I was right. My nose was right. haven't lost my touch. Anyway, so it's got a menthol type of eucalyptus, so strong smells like those. They are quite strong, as you can tell. I could smell that without even having really opened everything. So if you don't like that, you are not going to like this. But bath salts and relaxing your muscles, good for the skin and stuff like that. Very, very good. So I like that very much. Next item is a Regenerate Original Toothpaste. It's only a travel size, 14 ml. It's only worth £2.99. And I think this is the one. Let's have a look. There you go, enamel. That's the one. I did get another sample and I actually did like it, the toothpaste. It did leave my mouth feeling super clean and, you know, and fresh, and my breath smells really fresh to the point where I myself was going, yeah. Anyway, so that's in there. And the next one is the Decleor Aroma Comfort Body Milk. Okay. This unique texture that feels incredibly light and easy to apply moisturizes your skin. Apply daily after a bath or shower. What if you don't bath or shower? Great. And in here, as I'm sure I've said, 50 ml in here. So yeah, that's fantastic actually. Value £9. And then you've got a couple of like little samples in here. Ooh, Versace. Oh, pour homme. Oh, that's for men. I don't care. I'll go by smell. I don't go by whether it's for men or females. So that's a little sample in there. So it's got the last major item is Bomb Cosmetics Handmade Lime. Oh, handmade. Yeah, okay. Love handmade stuff. How long have we been there? 17? Oh, no. Right, we need to hurry up. Bomb Cosmetics Handmade Lime Dandy Soap Slice. Full size, 100 grams, worth £2.99. That is that one. You know the smell of lime. It is interesting actually because it's got little bits in there as well. Like little chunks. It's got like swirly bits in there and it's got little chunks there as well. Quite interesting actually. Yeah, let me see if I can rip this off super quick. Sorry. This video is turning out to be longer than I thought it would be. But if you are a man, long is not always a bad thing. I wouldn't know. I've never been a man, so I'm assuming. Yeah. Ooh, oh, love this smell. I love like citrusy, fresh, clean smells. I love when I come out of my shower and I smell so clean. So it is very interesting. I love the smell of this, and yeah, I'm gonna have to recreate this smell and keep this definitely. Yeah, so you can see it's got a swirl, which is interesting, swirled in there. And it's got a few little chunks in there included in, which makes it very interesting. So it's not just a lime green bit of soap, but it is actually quite interesting. And surprisingly, it's only, they charge £2.99. I'm quite surprised. I was going to make my own soap, but no. I'll order some more then if they're only £2.99. So that's what's generally in the box. However, you've got a few samples here. You've got here Brazilian Keratin Treatment, hair treatment, which is from Novex. Deep conditioning hair mask, mascara, yeah, that's a different language. So shinier hair and smooth, well, shinier hair and smooth hair. So it's got a little sample that's included in there. And you've also got Obsessed Eau de Parfum Intense for women, Calvin Klein. So you've got in here, you've got a tiny little sample. It's a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I've got a bit of a sensitive nose when it comes to these things. So let me just, I can smell lime and I can smell menthol and eucalyptus. So let's try it this way. I'm such a div. I can smell it now, but you know what? I don't know if you picked up on the fact I was squeeze, looking over here thinking, why isn't that coming out? And then suddenly I picked up on the fact after 3 squirts that it was spraying that way. Anyway, this one is kind of a very, very musky smell. Is, yeah, definitely very musky smell, kind of strong. You would actually, this one will be probably a couple of squirts if you want to wear it during the day. This is more like a nighttime fragrance. However, nothing says you have to wear something nighttime and daytime, but it tends to be like the lighter, more floral, and you know, not so heavy perfumes and sprays tend to be used during the day, and a heavier stuff at night. However, you can do whatever you like, and this one is definitely very, very musky, and yeah, I'm thinking very musky, very woodsy. That's definitely in there, but I like Calvin Klein stuff, and I've managed to actually get a little bit all over my hand, so now my hand smells really lovely. Perfect. Now I can go to public toilets without worrying about it, because all I have to do is with. Okay, next one. So this one is Versace, and for pour homme, for men, who cares? Eau de toilette. So this one is eau de toilette. This other one is eau de parfum. And yeah, so let's see if I can tell. And this time, Brunel, come on now, spray it the right way. Very light. Has a bits of floral in there. Has probably white musk or something similar to that as well. This is very, very firm. Actually, I'm surprised this is for men, but it's also kind of like, it's got a mixture of refreshing kind of cool to it as well. Reminds me of winter. Strange thing, but reminds me of winter and water. This does. And I like this actually. Ooh, yeah, sirree. Yeah. Okay. Now that's really stink like a perfume factory. Thank you, everybody. This is actually a good, really good. I'm happy with this, especially the handmade stuff. You guys know I love it. Gatineau, Decleor, they are quite expensive. Obviously the bath stuff is good for you for a good soak up. Save that for Sunday. And also, yeah, I'm gonna try this Manuka Doctor as well. Age-defying overnight lavender mask. So that's my lot. Is this one worth buying? Absolutely. Value-wise, and also the kind of stuff that's in there are definitely the things that I would use. There isn't even one item in here that I would actually not use, which is definitely a plus for me. So go and get your own, because I've got mine here and you can't have it. Thank you, and I'll put a link in the description bar. I'm sorry that the video is so long and I'm rambling on. Bye.